dear students, welcome back to second PU business study class. In our previous class we are discussed relating to the objectives of financial management. This concept we are discussed in the previous class. In this class we are going to discuss relating to the financial decision and this is one of the function of a financial management. Is it right? That any queries or any critical situation or arises in a finance department that will be solved by the financial management. Financial management is nothing but the planning, organizing, directing and controlling the financial resources and utilization of availability fund in an effective manner. That is we are called as a financial management. So, the financial decision is also taken by the financial management. Financial management are concerned with the solution of the issues relating to the financial operation. Then these financial operation it's may concern with the investment, financing and dividend decision. This is three major issues relating to the financial operation. Then these are all taken by the financial management. Then what is financial decision? Financial decision, it is nothing but it is raising the finance. It involves identification of various sources of finance. That is we are called as a financial decision. Financial decision, it's involving the raising the finance. Financial decision, it's relating to the raising the finance and how we are raise the fund. On that basis they are make a decision. That is we are called as a financial decision. It's purely relating to the raising the finance. Then you already know in a finance two types. One is a long-term finance, another one is short-term finance, or long-term investment or short-term investment. Is it right? Like that in a finance also, the long-term investment may be rises in the shareholders fund, long-term fund and the short-term fund, in which basis we are raise the fund of an organization relating to that operations we are called as a financial decision. It's a purely relating to the financial rising of a finance. Then long-term finance may be raised from the shareholders fund. Another one is the borrowed capital. In this two way the long-term finance will be raised. Relating to the financial rising, what are all the decisions are taken by the financial management, that is we are called as a financial decision. Okay, now then the financial decision are categorized in a three ways, that is investment decision, finance decision and dividend decision. These are the three major financial decision. The first one is investment decision, second one is financing decision, third one is dividend decision. In this class we are discuss relating to the investment decision. Okay, now then what is investment decision? The investment decision, it is relating to the investment of a business organization. It means the financial management get a decision regarding the investment function. Is it right? How we are utilize availability capital in an effective manner, which is giving a more return for us. According to that, they are invest their money in the long term as well as the short term investment fund. Is it right? Then the long term investment decision we are also called as a capital budgeting decision. Long term investment decision we are also called as a capital budgeting decision. It may be purchase of a new machinery, land and building. These are all we are called as a long-term investment. Long-term investment we are also called as a capital budgeting decision. It is relating to the more than 1 year project. That is we are called as a long-term investment, or it's relating to the capital budgeting. Then another one is the short-term investment decision. Short-term investment decision we are also called as a working capital decision. In a previous class I told you what is working capital, right? What is working capital? Working capital means we are required some capital to meet day-to-day expenditure. That is we are called as a working capital decision. Okay, no? So in an investment decision, the two major decisions they are taken by the financial management. One is long-term investment, another one is short-term investment. Long-term investment, it is relating to, we are also called as a capital budgeting decision. It means, take for example, the purchase of a new machine or replacement of a existing equipment. These are all we are called as a long term investment. Short term investment decision we are also called as a working capital decision. What is working capital? Working capital is nothing but we require some capital to meet day-to-day expenditure. That is we are called as a working capital decision, as well as we are also called as a short-term decision. These decisions are taken by the financial management. Okay, no, that is relating to the investment decision. One is capital budgeting. Capital budgeting, it's nothing but the long term investment. Then working capital decision we are called as a short term investment. Okay, no. So what are all the factors are influencing for the capital budgeting? Are factors influencing capital budgeting. The first one is cash flow of the project. Cash flow of the project. When a company taking an investment decision, it's relating to the huge capital, it is considered the expected cash inflow of a particular period. Is it right? According to the company ability, they are taking on a project. Then this capital budgeting, they consider both the cash payment as well as the cash receipt. They are considered, that is we are called as a cash flow of the project. According, it means they are taking an investment decision. Company taking an investment decision, it is considered the cash flow of a particular year. They are taking an any project, they are must and should consider cash inflow or cash receipt and the cash payment. If any company having a more than cash receipt, it means their cash receipt will be higher than the cash payment. Is it right? The cash receipt is higher. This is a receipt. Cash receipt is higher than the cash payment. It is indicate a very stable cash inflow of a company. So they are considered in a capital budgeting before investment. or before committed for any particular project, they are considered cash flow of a company in a particular period. They are considered. Then next one is the rate of return. The rate of return, it is a most important criteria while relating to the investment decision. They are calculated based on the expected return from the each and every assignment or each and every project. Is it right? The rate of return. When any company or an individual taking a more risk, then only they are earn a more profit. Is it right? In the previous classes also I giving an example relating to the real estate. Real estate is a very high risk business operation, but they earn a more profit because when the company or individual get a more risk, then only they earn a more profit. Take for example the rate of return. The two project will be there. One is A project, another one is B project. A project giving a 10% of return on their investment. The B project get a 12% rate of return. In that we are select the B project because it is giving a more return on investment, and the return on investment is based on the risk. Which company are bear a more risk, in that time they earn a more profit. So that's why in a capital budgeting decision they are considered, or it will be affected by the rate of return on investment. That is also one of the factors influencing the capital budgeting. Another one is investment criteria involved. Investment criteria involved. It means the amount of investment, it is relating to the interest rate, cash flow and the return on investment. According to that, they are taking a capital budgeting. Is it right? We are invest our money in some project, we are consider what is our cash ability or what is our ability regarding the finance. Then we are consider the rate of return also we are consider, and also we are consider the interest rate. These are all the factors are relating to the investment criteria involved. Is it right? Investment criteria involved. It means the decision that taken the decision to invest in a investment in a particular project, it involves a number of calculated regarding the amount of investment, rate of return, rate of investment as well as the cash flow. These are all the factors we are considered, or these are all the factors are influencing in the capital budgeting. Okay, now these are all relating to the investment decision. Okay, now so in this class we are discussing relating to the investment decision. The investment decision, it's relating to the two factors. One is short term investment, another one is long term investment. Short term investment we are called as a working capital investment. Working capital means the amount we are required for meeting a day-to-day expenditure, that is we are called as a working capital management. The long-term investment we are called as a capital budgeting. Then what are all the factors influencing the capital budgeting? The first one is cash flow of the project, another one is rate of return, another one is the investment criteria involved. These three factors are highly influenced for the capital budgeting. In the next class we are discussing relating to the financing decision and dividend decision. These two concepts we are discussed in a previous class. In the next class. Thank you so much for watching this video.